This is very, very, very chic is to be able to You like that? No, this is real. This is real deal, baby. Seen that one?
Yes.
I mean, this is like... If you girls are ready for this or not. I don't know. Maybe, I don't want to... It's going to be rated R. Are you ready? This is like... I love you guys, man. You're laughing at the dumbest jokes. I'm going to save the soundtrack and patch these laughs on some of my other jokes that didn't work. What do you think? It's pretty cool? But actually, this is not a Saudi code. You have to know that. This is Turkish. This is a Turkish Imam's code. They have two. They have a black one and a white one. And they will not pray without the coat on. They don't need wudu, but they need the coat. Just kidding. No, actually, I make wudu every week, whether I need it or not. I'm that way. I'm clean kind of a guy. Anyhow. Oh. That hurts. You know, I guess I should go to the next stage here. We don't have a whole lot of time, so could somebody strike up the band? Okay, here we go. This comes off. And elegantly throw it across the room. There that goes. Now, I have to show you. I'm kind of wired up here a little bit. In fact, if I had any more wires, I'd be eligible to be an FBI agent. But I'm not going to do this. There we go. Don't run away. Here we go. Now, this outfit actually comes with another part, which fell off in the trunk of the car. It has the belt, you know, the black rings? So you have to imagine that. Hey, wait a minute, I got it. There we go. Okay, I did that part. All right. I have to do everything by habit. I missed something, I can't do the whole thing. All right, now the eagle came off. Now this, I have to show you how to do this. This is for people who can't afford the eagle. It goes up like this. This is very, very, very chic is to be able to You like that? No, this is real. This is real deal, baby. No, I'm not done. I'm not done. Hold on. There's more coming up. There's different ways you can put this thing on. You can go like this, hey? You seen that one?
Yes.
I mean, this is like... But the latest thing... I don't know if you girls are ready for this or not. I don't know. Maybe. I don't want to... It's going to be rated R. Are you ready? This is like the latest of the latest styles in Saudi. It's so you don't lose tradition, but at the same time you really catch up with the world. So I have to show you this. Here we go.
I don't need a label. The United States government gave me my label a long time ago. It's called Muslim. That's good enough for me. What do you think?